This is London with Bitcoin Spike. We're going to go over some details on Bitcoin. I have an urgent update for you. Hit the like button if you've been trading Bitcoin. London here, former hedge fund owner, private, non-SEC, not financial advice. It was a $100,000 day if you played it right in the market. I'm going to go over that. Our VIP are trading. If you're not a member, you need to join the #1 trade group. Look at 314% for Liam. I have a very important update, by the way, on our indicator. Congratulations to the VIP who are trading. Hot indicator. In terms of the daily, also, we're going to go over the Bollinger Band 20 moving average is in play. I'll repeat, it is in play. The need to get up over 19,600, I'll say 19,700, and set a candle over the 20 moving average would allow, guys, us to target the upside Bollinger Band, which would be 21,553 currently. Now, we have an ascending triangle formation on the daily, looking at a flat top resistance from the candle wicks with an ascending line of support. Bulls, your job is to maintain this line of support, ascending line of support. Focus on the 20 moving average. Shout out to the VIP. We're heading into another weekend. Extremely excited about that. Let's go through the rest of the returns. Where are they? Give me about 2 seconds. There we go. Now, in terms of JMac, I want to shout out to you, big guy, 166%. Congratulations on a short. And what was yours, Liam? On a short as well. Catching those shorts, golden shorts, ice cold shorts. Way to go on our indicator. Fantastic. And guys, I had a nice meeting today with some nice gentlemen and a lady as well, and the indicator is receiving incredible reviews in terms of my demonstrating it to people, in terms of, and you guys are the proof positive of it. Congratulations, 314%. Liam, looking at the let's say, you guys, secondary, we have the 82% there from JMac. That's a long there, so a short and a long for JMac. And then we have Victor coming in 162%. Congratulations. Now, we can go over the indicator. The reason I'm bringing it up in terms of a mixed company dialogue, etc., I'll just say, guys, I show you guys off all the time. All the time I'm showing off the VIP. It's what I get to do. I'm also a VIP member. I joined this year. I'm like, hey, it's my trade group, but I'm a member, and that's what makes a big difference here is I trade with you guys. Now, in terms of the indicator, we had some nice pickups. The one thing it will do continually for you is it will prevent, and we'll go through some specific trades. How was it, say, a $100,000 day? How was it, let's say this, a 20% day? I'll tell you, you can capture 20% in the market. I've marked out some entries and exits that I did. Now, the positions were with larger capital. I'll just say that. Larger capital positions, okay, would have produced a $100,000 return if you had entered into the trades that I did. I'll say that. In terms of the entries, though, you're seeing what I was able to do amidst a busy schedule today. All right, an entry, an exit, an entry, an exit, okay? Not full-time at the computer. I wasn't 100% screen time. You need to understand that as you lay over the indicator here. Just to look at this, guys, looking at a pickup level in this zone. Boom, a pickup, an exit. Boom, a pickup, an exit. Absolutely. So, guys, in the back, when you're looking at those returns, these were two small moves today that were available to everyone. And depending upon your leverage, it was much more lucrative than just a 20% move. But amidst other business meetings, amidst VIP business, that was what the market accommodated for me to participate in. Bam, bam. I want to talk about some pattern dynamics that we look at here in VIP. We invite you to join VIP, of course. We focus on, for instance, as I'm looking at, and this is very important, please pay attention, as I'm looking at the weekly right now. And yes, equities have been hammered, right? More pain incoming. We'd like to see it, right? There's still not a panic in the market. Mind yourselves this, there's still not a panic in the market. We need to see some panic in the market to really, I'd say, consecrate any idea of a, let's just say, the greater the panic, the more I'm looking at really significant buying opportunities, right? When everyone is running for the exit, it may be a good time to walk in and see kind of what's going on, what inventory is left. We'll talk about it, guys. And you understand, former hedge fund owner, private, non-SEC, not financial advice. Looking at this level of support, level of resistance, we are down and out and under. I'm going to go ahead and call this on the weekly a descending triangle. Let's go ahead and call it what it is. It has a slight angle to the upside, but right now we are pushing on Bitcoin back into this specific apex. And what does that mean? What is the significance of this specific apex that we would look at? Well, if I transpose over, or if I roll back over to the specific Bollinger Band in question, you know that we're just tucked underneath. Remind yourselves, we're just tucked underneath that 20 moving average. So essentially we're pushing up into very important, guys, pay attention. We're pushing up into that apex preceding level of support to confirm as potential resistance and possible move to the downside. Now, this is going to be the litmus test. Pay attention in terms of what Wall Street would be looking at right now. We know that because New York Institute of Finance, that is where Wall Street goes to school. That's where Wall Street goes to school. So no one's going to tell us that Wall Street's not looking at this, guys. This is kind of the inside scoop from what's going on. In terms of if that information's interesting to you, make sure you join VIP. And you VIP guys, you know what we're talking about. Yo, now in terms of flat top resistance, ascending line of support. So this is the apex region. Very important, guys. The apex region of on the weekly. And see, we're working with the daily chart to give us the dynamic of that weekly prior support into potential resistance. So what needs to happen? We need to flip this on, yes, the weekly. We need to flip this on, yes, the daily, and head up to 21,555. Let's mark out 21,000. So you see 21,555. Guys, you're up into this zone. Boom. You're up into this level. We're cruising and potentially rejecting the notion of the descending triangulation. They're not easy to beat. They are the worst pattern for the bulls to trade. I will guarantee it. We just don't like them, guys. So in terms of this specific threshold, I want you to pay attention to the specific 20 moving average on the daily as we roll into the next 24-hour segment, as we appreciate the trade opportunities throughout the day, and as we work hard in the back on teamwork and development on an individual and collective level. I want to invite you guys all, let's say, first of all, just to round of applause for VIP, because incoming, we've hired the development team for Bybit. We've hired Bybit development team. Incoming is VIPtrader.com. Hugely exciting. We're going to be bringing some of this power, some of the, just guys, the layout, the speed, everything of Bybit's going to be incredible to have that disposable in chart format, indicator format, guys, alerts, all different types of automated functions is going to be on VIP Trader. We also do have, of course, La Jolla headquarters incoming next week. Really excited about that. If you're not a part of VIP, you've missed out on the building process of 2022. I've told you we are building. Shout out to Venus, number one contributor. So excited to be building with you in 2022 and there beyond. In terms of joining, you guys understand this link here will allow you to join. This is London, former hedge fund owner, private non-SEC and not financial advice. If you will join on this link, then I will tell you guys, you'll be joining the winner's circle. Respond, please, to the first pinned tweet. Put I am VIP. Boom. Let me know who you are. Get in touch with me this way, and we will walk you through 100 rounds. We'll get you involved in, and guys, we'll at least explain and make sure that you are going through your trades without being overexposed, that you're incorporated with the number one trade group. Guys, I'm in the market with you guys. If there were another trade group that were better than ours, I'd be in it. This is the number one trade group, bottom line. We know this, so congratulations. We've had former, guys, everything from former BlackRock, former JP Morgan, former Credit Suisse. We've had exchange employees. We've had NFL players. Guys, period. So I'm going to tell you, this is where the rubber meets the road in terms of if you came to trade, if you want to beat the market, that's the only requirement. You don't have to trade leverage. You could be along for a developmental process in your life. You want to better your understanding of financial markets overall. Fantastic. Join up today. This is London with Bitcoin Spike. We'll be trading in the back. Do not forget the ascending triangle. Amidst that battle log that we talk about, there's the dialogue about battle, etc. Looking at the flat top resistance, ascending a line of support, this would be a beautiful pattern to complete to the upside. Would really demonstrate some strength from the bulls amidst a real strong push down on the equities. Just would be amazing. It's already been surprising. I'm going to say that, guys. It's been surprising to see the resiliency of Bitcoin. Taking a look at this, we just got a subscriber. Congratulations. They're looking at 11% move to the upside, essentially from from the current price. It's going to require flipping that 20 moving average, but a 16% move to 22,000. Guys, would be indicated, and watch that upside target potential limitation on the Bollinger Band. This is London with Bitcoin Spike. Extremely exciting to be discussing, guys, all of the success of the VIP every single day. So look at the indicator. Nobody has goods like this. You understand that, guys? Nobody has goods like this. It's going to protect you from buying high. It's going to protect you from selling low. It is what it is, but it's a range tool. Understand that? It's not a replacement in terms of fire and ice. It is not a replacement for your set of TA tools. This is London with Bitcoin Spike, guys. Let's go. We'll talk to you soon, guys, and looking forward to a great weekend. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.